And welcome. Your host is Dubai-based TV and radio broadcaster, Mr. Phil Blizzard.
Hello, my name is Phil Blizzard. I'm a presenter for both television and radio, a voiceover artist, and event MC and conference moderator. Coming up now, a few samples of my voiceovers. As we welcome 2021, your health and safety remain our top priority. We invite all our visitors to register on Our You by Emaar and apply for an Emaar New Year's Eve pass. Ajman Municipality and Planning Department is putting several infrastructure development projects into action. The project links the centre of the city to the intersection of Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Street and Al Ittihad Street. The answer to speedy and efficient communications is the mobile phone, especially when it comes to conferences and events. That's why the Ritz Carlton Dubai is offering a mobile phone to the key organiser for the duration of their event. First unveiled in 2009, the Super Sports is recognised as being the fastest and most agile Bentley, with a top speed of 329 km per hour. That's 204.4 miles per hour. Al Raha Beach Hotel Abu Dhabi offers two great ways to see in the new year. There's the most elegant party, Arabic style, in the Abu Dhabi Grand Ballroom at 560 dirhams per person, whilst in the UAE's newest... Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Samsung, I would like to welcome you to this exciting event. Tonight you can expect lots of surprises, and right now I would like to request the Samsung ushers to escort you to the Falcon Lawn.
Travel-wise with Phil Blizzard. News, views and interviews.
And if you'd like to have your own podcast, do drop me an email on philblizzardmedia@gmail.com.
A Phil Blizzard radio production.
Available on Apple, Amazon, Ngami, Spotify, Deezer and all good podcast channels, and also now on YouTube.